Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where today we are showing you exactly how to delete a contact in WhatsApp, and I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can remove any contact you no longer need. Now, let's get started. Step 1, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app, making sure you're logged into the correct account because the steps will only work properly if you're inside the right profile and the app is fully loaded on your home screen. Step 2, once you're inside WhatsApp, go to the chat section at the bottom, which is the main place where all your conversations appear. Then scroll through the list to find the contact you want to delete so you can begin the removal process. Step 3, now tap and hold on that chat, and when the options appear at the top, tap the delete icon, then confirm your choice, allowing WhatsApp to automatically remove the conversation and disconnect it from your chat list. Step 4, alternatively, if you also want to delete the same person from your saved phone contacts, use the search bar, type the person's name, and select it to open their full details. Step 5, once the contact screen is open, tap on the contact name. Again, if it appears at the top, then tap the three dots icon, which opens extra settings, and choose the edit option so you can access all available actions. Step 6, after the edit menu appears, tap the three dots icon at the top right once more, and this time select the delete contact option, then confirm the deletion, allowing your phone to remove the entry completely and automatically update WhatsApp so the contact is deleted there as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.